Hello everyone, this is the schematic diagram of a final switch board which we have developed, which we have outsourced and developed from JLC PCB. Now this is similar to the prototype board. Again we have used an ESP32, but here there are some differences. We weren't using a power module to convert the 220 volt AC into 5 volt for powering our different sensors and for the relays. Here we are using a high link power module, a current sensor obviously for the detection of the current consumed by this board, and then here are the relays which are connected to the transistor to 222. Now we haven't used a ULN also. We have developed our own circuit which will detect, which will work as a relay driver. Now there are some relay indicator LEDs showing which relay is working at the moment for the showing the states. And again we have used for data logging and timekeeping, data logging an SD card, and this will be interfaced with the Blink app, which will show the user who the user can control the states of the touchpads and also show the consumption of electricity via the power logger. Now these are again the touch switches used along with the resistors, and also we have connected the LEDs also with these touch sensors. The 6 relays for 6 touch switches. This is pretty much the same idea for the prototype, but just we have made it, the size is a bit compatible and a bit smaller than the previous one. And we have made, the previous board had the dimming module in it for dimming purposes, but now we have developed another board for the dimming purposes, only for the dimming purposes, that will also control the states of the loads on and off and send the data to Blink app also. That is quite similar, exact like this, but we have, for dimming purposes, we have developed a different circuit using a triac and capacitors and resistors that I'll be explaining in the next video. Now I'll show you the hardware, that circuit, the board which we have made for this circuit. This is the board of SMEHA SWAT switchboard, the final board which we developed from JLC PCB. This is a 2-layer PCB, as you can see. I have attached the one where we have installed all the components in the boards. I will show you the functional video later on. Now this is the board, as you can see, this is the ESP, pretty much obvious. These are the TTP touch switch pads, touch sensors, 3 here, 3 here, and then here we are going to attach all the T blocks. Then we are going to use solid state relays over here, and then along with these solid state relays, this is the solid state relay circuit which is going to be installed over here. We have made a separate space for the ACS 712, and this you can see over here is the same Wi-Fi indicator LED. Now for in these boards we installed a power regulator high link, which is going to give 5 volt from the 220 AC volt coming in to all the components for the ESP, for the ACS, which required the 5 volt for the working. Here the high link is going to be attached. Now this is the power source where the power is going to be attached, the main to 220 volt AC, and from there it will be given to the whole circuit. Here we will attach 6 loads, as 6 gang switchboard is this. 6 TTPs are installed in this. This is pretty much it. The one in which the components have been installed is being plugged into the load. I'll show you the working of that, and we have already uploaded a video where we are showing the working of these boards. Now I'll explain that this is, like I told you before, this is only the switch board. For the dimming board we have made a separate board, and I'll show you that in the later on videos. Thank you.